Email marketing is the king of all marketing channels, and if you give me just 30 seconds, I'll prove it to you. And not just that, I'll share with you a couple of insights on how you can use it in your business and start seeing results in a few days, leveraging on my personal experience. All right. Now, as a course creator, coach, online store owner, or even a local business, you're always looking for ways to increase your revenue, right? Now, the only way to increase your revenue is to increase the number of sales you make, correct? Good. So for the most people, maybe even you run ads, create content on social media and your blogs, or even recruit affiliates to help you promote your products, and then you give them a commission from it. Now, all of these channels are great and there are no arguments about that, so you should use them. But here's the interesting part of everything. When you run ads, you are going to invest a lot of money into it, from getting the ad creatives to paying the ad platforms. And of course, ads are super expensive these days, so making 2x to 4x return on your ad spend these days looks like magic. The same applies if you use content marketing to promote your products. Now, there are tons of content produced daily that's competing with you. So while you might not pay the social platform to get attention, you are going to invest a lot of time and maybe even resources into creating this content on a daily basis. But there's only one marketing channel that can help you maximize your results from the efforts you put into ads and content creation. It's email marketing. Now, let me share a story to help you understand this. Back in 2018, I created my first digital product. Through the help of a JV manager I partnered with, we got hundreds of affiliate marketers to promote it for us. Now, at the end of the launch, we made around 180 grand. Out of this amount, affiliates took 50% and the JV partner took 20% payment for recruiting the affiliates. Understand? So, from the 180 grand in gross revenue, I took home around 45 grand. But it didn't really bother me. I'll tell you why. What I did was to add all the newly acquired customers, around 3,000, and added them to my autoresponder. Now, I wrote a post-purchase email series and sent it to them. Part of that post-purchase series contained an upsell offer for another product I put together. Okay, this series ran for 10 days, and in the end, I made an extra 145 grand just from sending them follow-up emails. All right. I didn't run ads, I didn't hire affiliates or JV managers, none of those things. And so that amount was pure profit for me alone. Alright? And here's the sweeter part. I kept following up with them, sharing valuable content, recommending offers to them once in a while, and promoting my new products to them whenever it's ready. Now, within 12 months, that 3,000 customers had already generated 250 grand. Yeah, I think. In extra income for me. That's at almost zero cost. That's the power of email marketing. Now, even if you don't watch the rest of this video, I think my personal experience should be enough to convince you to take email marketing seriously in your business. But if you are still watching, here are 3 more reasons why you should incorporate and fully utilize emails in your business. 1. It's more profitable than other channels. According to research, if you invest in paid ads, you can expect to make 200% return on your investment. So, if you invest $1, you can make $2 back, and your results can be instant or in a few days. For SEO and content marketing, you can expect an average of 900% return on your investment. That means for each $1 you invest, you can expect to get $9 back, which is cool. But on the flip side, it takes time to see those returns, with the average being 7 months. That's if you're doing content marketing, it takes a lot of time. Okay. Now, when it comes to email marketing, the average return on every $1 spent is $38. Some research even puts it at $44. That's 3,800 to 4,400% return on your investment. No other channel comes close to this, and my experience, which I shared earlier, should prove this to you. Okay, so while you are doing content marketing, paid ads, or any other lead or customer generation channel, be sure to have email marketing properly set up in the background. That's where you're going to make a majority of your profits. Alright, now you could be asking, why is email marketing this profitable? This takes us to the second reason why you should take it seriously in your business. It's highly personalized than any other marketing channel out there. To help you understand this, imagine that you went out for a cocktail party and you're hoping to network there. At the party, you are going to meet a lot of people and talk with them. Alright? During your discussions, you are going to learn about them and discover those who are likely to become your potential clients. But you are never going to discuss business right there at the party. What you will do is exchange contact information, and after the party, you follow up with them. It's only during the follow-up meeting that you can initiate deeper business discussions and maybe seal deals. Alright? Now, I want you to see social media as a cocktail party and then email marketing as the meetup after the party. Social media is rowdy with lots of content flowing, but of course, you have to flow along by publishing your own content and ads. Then when your target audience sees your ad or post and clicks on it, you should find a way to get their contact information. From there, you can take the conversation to their inbox where you have their full attention without any distractions. All right, their inbox is the best place to easily turn them into customers, and you're going to do this with the type of emails you'll be sending to them. All right, in another video I'll show you the types of emails you can send your new leads to turn them from leads to customers within 7 days. All right, check out that video later. Another reason why I love email marketing is because the response is instant. On average, you can get a 30 to 40% open rate on each email you send out. It could be higher or it could be lower depending on your niche and how well you built your reputation with your audience. If you have an email list of, let's say, 10,000, you can expect to get at least 3,000 targeted eyes seeing your email within 24 hours of sending it. Can you say the same with maybe creating content on Facebook? You could have 1 million followers on Facebook and have only about 50,000 seeing your content within 24 hours of posting it. It could even be lower. I'm just being generous, alright? The social media platform algorithms determine when they what they push to your audience and what they don't, alright? The moment their AI senses that your post has an element of promotion in it, it will slow down its reach. They are in business and, of course, they also want profit. And because of that, they would want you to pay money, that's run ads, before your promotional content can get the attention it deserves. But with emails, you're already sure of what to expect no matter the type of content you are pushing out. Alright? Now, if all the points I raised above doesn't convince you to take email marketing seriously, I'll give you one last reason. That's control. You built a social media following of maybe 1 million. Everything seems to be working well for you. Then you wake up one morning and get the message that your account or maybe your ad account has been banned. How would you feel? Suicidal, right? Well, don't ever think of suicide, please. Wherever it is, don't think of suicide. But the thing is, your business will suddenly come to a halt. Revenue will tank instantly and it will remain so for a long time because it's going to take you a lot of time to rebuild that audience again. Well, this doesn't apply to email marketing because here, you are fully in control. And even if for any reason your email marketing platform shuts down your account, which rarely happens, you can easily sign up for a new account in a few minutes. Then you re-upload your email list and you'll be emailing your subscribers just within a few hours. Am I saying you should leave content marketing or paid advertising to focus on email marketing? No, that's not my point. In fact, you need them to keep growing your email list. Alright? My point is that whatever business you're running, whether you're a digital product creator, course seller, coach, or online store, content creator, or whatever, make sure you are building an email list. When you get a new customer, make sure their contact information is added to your email platform. In fact, use any avenue you can to get the information of your website visitor and your social media followers. Then use email marketing to follow up with them. You are going to make far more profits from following up with them than you will make just posting fresh content or running ads. Alright? And on this channel, I'll be sharing more information, strategies, and tips that will help you not just build an email list for your brand, but also to engage and monetize them. After all, you're in business to make profit, isn't it? So my content right here will help you get exactly that using the power of email marketing. So to make sure you don't miss any of my content, make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video. This will make the algorithm see that you are interested in the things I share. That way, whenever I post a new video, you get notified. Alright? So go ahead and click the subscribe button now. I'll give you 2 seconds to do that. Done? Awesome. So just before I go, if you are new to email marketing and you are looking for a quick guide to help you get started, I have a 30-minute crash course that will show you in practical steps how to set up an email marketing system for your business. A system that can generate steady sales and steady leads for your business. Alright? Don't worry, it's free. Click on the link in the description to get your free access to it right now. Cheers and see you on the next one.